everyone, it's Claire. It's good to have you here. I hope you are well. I've just received some orders for some Christmas earrings and I thought I would make them with you. These are some new charms on the website. We've got Santa and his sack and a colourful bauble. Those are silver enamel charms. And then we've got these. I'll show you a photo close up. They're absolutely stunning. And I bought these last year, completely forgot about them. And they're gold plated with diamante detail. I'm just going to show you how I make them. Very simple. These earring wires are surgical steel and they open at the bottom. So just simply twist. These are great to make for Christmas presents, stocking fillers. So we simply put them on and then we close up. We pop them. These are some new jewellery cards that I've got. Again with this one. So how are you all doing? What have you been up to? What have you been making? There's that one. There we go. Take these. These are new. Haven't had these before. Again, these are nice and strong as well. So, very good for people that have very sensitive ears. I have very sensitive ears and I can wear these. Those two. And then these I don't know how I forgot about these. These are gold plated earring wires. Same as the others, they just open at the bottom, slightly twist, attach, and then I turn and then close them up. Make sure there's no gaps. And then I just pop some silicone backs when I send these. All the shops have got Christmas music playing. So that's the earrings. All the supplies are available on the website www.lowcostcraftsupplies.co.uk. All handmade jewellery is free postage. We currently have an offer of 10% off as well. So thank you for watching, take care and happy crafting.